Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are on a trip today. In front of us in that red car is Broussard Homestead. Brett and Amy, they invited us to go with them to Avery Island. We're gonna have a fun day today. We're gonna be able to see where Tabasco's grown and processed, and also maybe get to go through the bird sanctuary. We'll see as the day progresses. We're in Kaplan, Louisiana, guys, and look who I ran into. Huh? Brett and Amy with Bruce. Wait a minute, that's right. I followed y'all. Just so happened we're going to the same place today, man. How cool is it? We're going to Avery Island, and it's going to be a blast.
The only place in the world where they make Tabasco brand pepper sauce.
Been waiting for this day.
Oh, I know.
All right, so we made our pit stop in Kaplan, Louisiana, and we're about to keep on driving.
Keep on trucking.
Stay tuned with us. All right, we're going to be back on the road soon as the car's clear. Yep, Kelly remembers this drawbridge when she was a kid. So did I. Kelly loves the drawbridge for some reason. I don't know why.
I just always loved to hear the noise as we drove over it as a kid.
Here we go, Kelly. Get excited.
I am excited.
Ready for the sound?
Yep. Just
And
like
that's
I
it.
remember.
Just like that. And we're over it. Before I got the camera set up, we passed all the crawfish fields, and I would have loved to have shown you that. Going down some side roads. We're almost to Avery Island. Look at the mossy trees. You see that? Look at that. Beautiful. Nothing but farmland. I think we're gonna start our visit in the gardens. Earlier part of the day would probably be better because it's gonna be so hot after lunch. And you can kind of see the higher land up ahead. Well, that's Avery Island. That's how you can tell you're there. And we're about to pull in. First we gotta stop at the little gate. So I'll be back in a minute. We're at the little visitor stop. And this is what it looks like coming in.
There's the Tabasco sign.
There's a Tabasco sign, guys. Jungle Gardens is straight ahead. Brett's turning like we're going to the factory, so.
Huh. I thought oh, maybe. Do you have to just park here? No.
Hey, there's a restaurant since 1868. What's that about?
Did it say restaurant?
It said 1868. I don't know if that's the house
name
number.
of it.
Okay, we made a U-turn. I think we're going to be turning left now. Heading to the Jungle Gardens. This is going to be exciting and hot. Tickets and gift shop. Oh, we got to turn here.
Oh, they have a whole bus.
They got a huge bus here.
These houses are so neat over there.
Yeah, I think it's pretty houses. All right. It's time.
It's prohibited.
Oh, we can't stay overnight?
Nope. Not allowed.
Oh, man. I had a lot of plans. All right. Okay, we're in the gate. Look at these beautiful trees, guys. We're actually in the Jungle Gardens. Now, it's a 3-mile stretch. You can either walk the whole thing or you can drive it. They even got an audio books type audio tour that you could actually do, and you download it on your phone, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to drive through it. So at certain points you could actually stop and get out and walk around and look at all the different trees, flowers, everything. And then get back in your car and go a little further.
They'll have alligators and turtles.
Be able to see some live alligators, live turtles, all of that stuff. So Brett with Broussard Homestead is the navigator. We're following. Look how many limbs are on these trees and the moss growing from them. So beautiful.
There's going to be a bamboo thing, like a whole bamboo area and a whole bird city.
Oh, nice.
And a boathouse.
And a boathouse. Some people enjoying their picnic, chilling out. Stop one and parking for buses. Follow the arrows. How that tree overhangs the water. Neat. See? Caution, alligators. Do not feed the alligators. I don't see any alligators yet. Oh, but we can park here and walk around. Guess that's what we're gonna do. Is that a tail of an alligator right there?
Yeah, look, his head's on the other
is.
end.
See
His
it?
head's off that direction.
Let's see if I can zoom in on it.
It's an alligator. There's another one right there. He's swimming.
Oh, look over here, Reagan, it's coming.
He's coming to eat it.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah, one thing you gotta be careful about is like this isn't an enclosed thing where they can't get it.
There you go. Hey, buddy.
Good deal.
How are you? Where are you going? You're not coming here, were you?
Where'd he go?
I think he's going to meet the other one.
Yeah, he might be going to meet the one that we can see right there.
Maybe he'll
That's a
start-
baby alligator.
Oh, no, you go back the other way, little guy.
You're coming and visit?
That's the one about. That's about the size that Brett tried to catch in a trash can.
Oh, really?
Might have been a little bit bigger.
Yeah, it was a little bigger.
Can you see the other one? Did you point out where the other one was?
Yeah, I pointed at it. You can see his tail,
And then his head in the front.
then his head. I don't know if I can zoom in close enough. He's coming to meet me. Hey, little fella. And there's another one with his head hanging out the water. I don't know if you can see it or not inside the water, but there's a garfish, which is also called alligator gar. Don't know if the camera will pick it up. Neat. See if I can get you a better picture. He's come to the surface. Alligator gar. Oh.
That would.
Abby doesn't do water.
Me either. I'm right there with you. I told Reagan one thing you'll never have to worry about.
And we walk down the trail. Doesn't everybody love wildlife? This is amazing.
What about? That's the same one.
A lot of warning signs. Beware of alligator. They're everywhere. And this, my friends, is the boathouse. There's a picture of it. Structure is known as the Ward Boathouse, like Edward Avery. Charles Willis Ward ran a plant nursery around 1910. So I'm going to show you. And here it is, guys. Roof took some damage, it looks like, probably from one of the hurricanes. This is an old building. So neat. Sits off the water. There's some Greer hedge bamboo, native of Asia. I'm driving through it now. How neat. Beware of alligators. American alligators are the largest reptiles native to the U.S. They are apex predators and eat almost anything they can catch. Alligators are a common sight in the ponds, lagoons, and waterways throughout jungle gardens. They often sun themselves along the banks of these areas. The largest gator ever recorded was taken by E.A. McElhenney near Avery Island. It measured 19 feet 2 inches. Can you believe? Well, let's just cross this bridge and hope there's no loose boards, right? Oh, cool. And this road will loop back around and we'll come back this way on the other side. And there's the loop. Well, we'll loop around and head back the other way. Named after Grover Cleveland, the Cleveland oak. 300 years old, 23 feet in circumference. Let me show you. Yeah, look how huge this thing is. Hey, Kelly, stand in front of it right here so I can get a comparison. Come on.
Come on, Brett.
Well, Brett will do it. Look at that. You got it? Hang on to it. It's about to fall. Oh no. It's all hollow on this side. Well, that's not good.
See, it's like it broke off at the top.
Oh. That's a lot of weight to be
Oh my God, look at that
supported.
animal, that like lizard. See, it has a
Yeah.
red head. Oh, this is a different kind. That's not the one when we first drove up. It was a different one. It was an Asian bamboo. I can't remember. Rear hedge, I think it was called.
Survey tree. Oldest tree in Louisiana. How old is it, Brett?
Oh, it doesn't say. It was at least from 1810.
1810.
It was selected on October 9th, 1810 as a marking point for the survey.
Wow.
So it was already
It was
here.
already a big tree, yeah.
Right. It's a big one. We got a bridge.
Careful, that board's loose.
Yeah, be careful what you step.
Yeah, but just come across, baby.
Put my finger in the way of the camera. How great. Oh, I see another bridge over there. Oh, Kelly, that's not too bad of a bridge right there.
Wait till you see what's way down there, though.
What?
Way down here.
This one?
Oh. Walking up the bridge. And that's the Buddha?
It's a Buddhist Temple.
Huh.
Inside there's a Buddha.
Really?
An actual Buddha.
Oh, I see.
Can you go in and see it?
No, but you can go up to it. and
To the
look through
glass.
window. Yeah.
Dad.
Wow.
Leaves over there. There's like tons of them.
They're everywhere.
No, look at the one he's got.
Yeah, I know. I just saw it.
This thing is 2 inches long.
There's one.
Look, there's one right here by my face.
There's another one further down.
You know, I've been here 2 times and I don't remember this at all.
Really neat.
Yeah, it was a gift to weird last name guy
McElhaney.
McElhaney.
in 1936.
Gift from who? Does it say?
No, it doesn't say.
You said it was created 900 years ago?
Yep.
Wow. Kelly's trying to go inside, but you can't. I have reached the top.
They have coins on them.
Huh?
Oh, there's coins right here, too.
Well, you can drop coins. Let's see. This thing is 900 years old.
We should have got a picture down there by the bridge with us looking back at this.
I'm gonna try to zoom in to this little guy. We are about to enter Bird City. And there's the sign. Let's squeeze on in here. Oof, I was close.
Oh,
look at the
neat building.
It's old, huh?
I love it.
How cool. Bus and RV parking.
I want to take a picture of it.
Okay,
Maybe you should
you
stop.
just knock yourself out.
Okay. Oh, I want to.
Old mining sand pit.
Palm Gardens. Once an old mining sand pit, the site proved ideal for McElhaney's garden of the native chenier cactus from the South Louisiana coast. So we're about to go check it out. Which way we go? Right this way. Oh no, this is neat, guy.
Yeah, I feel like there's a big sign back there.
Cool. These are big steps.
I know,
Deep, you know?
deep steps.
Yeah.
This is really neat. So this was a sand pit. This is fun. Having a blast. Love the centerpiece. We're going to go read what it says on that sign. It's a little warm out today. No rain. Clear skies, nothing but sun. A few little clouds, but no rain. And hot. Oh, this is neat.
Me too. Don't feel bad.
Jelly palm, pindo
Not
palm.
direction oriented, even with the map.
Native to Argentina, Brazil, and Uruguay.
Except the one time.
Oh. I bet it's medicinal. I've heard of that.
We're in the jungle.
I like these big ones.
Behind you, Kelly. That's timber bamboo.
That is huge.
And that hole right there looks like an animal den.
I have one, but it's in my
Oh,
hand.
sure does. Those are called Christmas berry.
Christmas berry.
Well, that's why I like them so much.
Oh, there's a butterfly flying around, guys.
Oh, I see it. That rock right there. Look. She found out the hard way,
Uh-oh.
unfortunately.
Oh, butterfly, butterfly. Oh, it landed too. Oh, gosh, he flew away. Look at the bamboo, y'all.
No.
And just a little place
You
to
stop,
rest.
the bugs swarm.
Why don't you sit right there?
No, if I sit, they'll bite me.
The bugs.
Yes.
And now we climb.
Exercise.
We're getting our exercise today, y'all.
Yeah, I totally doubt that.
My turn.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, the steps get harder.
That boy's a little out of breath.
Woo! Wait till Kelly comes up.
Look, I'm not coming up. I'm dying. Oh. Holy moly. What the heck?
That's some steep steps.
Lord.
All right, guys, we're entering Bird City, number 11 on our map. We're gonna get to see all kinds of birds back here. It's gonna be fun.
Your what?
My clippers.
Clippers?
Yeah.
Like
Rem-
haircutting?
Kelly, remember all of this decline? You're gonna have to incline later.
Some cuttings and all. It's a monkey bird.
A monkey bird? Sounded like one, right?
Flying monkeys.
Listen, you hear 'em?
I think that's beautyberry over there.
All right. Look at the birds in front of us. My goodness. We're going to get up on this observatory. Be careful for the alligators.
Come on, Kelly, you got this.
Kelly, you can do it.
It's a whole bunch of cowbirds.
Yeah,
Hey, Reagan.
we have made it to the top.
You're right. They're all over in the trees up there, too.
The great egret. Snow egret and cattle egret.
Actually, the breeze up here is nice.
Yes, higher you go. Look at them over here in the bushes. I'm landing in the tree.
Demo is early Wednesday morning.
Really neat.
They make weird noises.
Yeah, it's just,
La, 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 la. Come on with it.
I wonder if they stay here year round.
Not sure. Does it say anywhere?
Yeah, they say. They've been continuously nesting here since 1896.
Wow. And that's why he built the Avery, right?
It says that he captured 8 birds in 1895. He held them in a large aviary, over this pond. He released them in the fall to migrate. They returned in the spring, and they've been here ever since.
Wow.
I don't know if it's all birds or just the snowy egret. Oh, okay, so this one, the great egret, it says they are the first species to arrive each spring to begin nesting in Bird City and stand out from all the other white because of their large size.
Beautiful scenery. Somebody's out here painting this picture. You can see it right there. What is this place called?
Sunken garden.
Sunken Garden.
I'm guessing it's downward.
Like sunken?
Y'all make sure that the mama kitty, that the fluffy kitty laid with the little tiny baby.
Oh, these steps are uneven. Cement blocks.
It says, please watch your step.
Yeah, please watch your step. All right. Yeah.
Look how pretty the stairs.
Oh, this is neat.
Hey, I have a picture of me big and pregnant sitting on them steps.
Wow. This is really cool. Well, let's go down.
I was sitting there with all the cars.
I can get that.
All right. We made it to the bottom.
I couldn't see my feet. Can you imagine walking down those and you can't see your feet?
Not at all.
In my nose.
I wonder how much quarters and nickels and dimes and pennies are in this pond. Maybe someone will know anything about these vases from Ohio. The Stoneware Company. U.S. Stoneware Company makers. Akron, Ohio. How neat. Made it all the way to South Louisiana. It's just, this place is so full of every species of plants. It's amazing. You can name these off for days.
There might have been something at one point.
Really neat though. It's got a canopy. They all come together.
Well, the sign said old nursery, so I'm trying to imagine what that looked like.
And it's cool too.
It is. It's cool under here. Still got the bugs though.
Yeah. Lots of bugs.
Those bamboos are very pretty at the bottom.
Yeah, they are. Really neat. What kind of
Somebody
bamboos?
carved in them or wrote on them.
What kind of bamboos are
Can't see. Golden bamboo, Robert Young. It has a really long name that I can't say, but it's called Robert Young or Golden Bamboo.
And this concludes the trip through the bird sanctuary. And now the next place we're going is the Tabasco Factory.
But you don't know if you can film there.
We don't know if we can film yet, like Kelly was saying. Not too sure, so I guess we'll find out. If we can, we're definitely going to film it. So we're heading to the Tabasco plant, the plant tours. Gives you some signs of how to get there, but they have a restaurant here. So the 1868 restaurant. And I think we're gonna go and grab some lunch before we do the factory tour. All those homes over there, so there's people that live here. I don't know if that's workers on the island. Not too sure about the history of that.
Until then we found out it's not actually a real island.
Yeah, and it's really not a real island. So
There
what
is
is it?
water. I just don't remember. It's not like technically surrounded all the way, maybe, or something.
Right. All right. So let's see if we can figure out where this restaurant is, and time to eat. That's the factory, guys. That's the second tour bus we've seen today. Look at the motorcycles. All lined up. And the Tabasco Museum is over here. We've been there before. 1868 restaurant. Sure hope they're open. Time to eat some good food. You think they're gonna have Tabasco for the food?
Yeah, they definitely.
There's a good chance.
No, I'm sure it's gonna be Louisiana.
Could be a good chance, right?
Abby's looking forward to trying Tabasco flavored ice cream today.
What?
She
No,
loved it.
that can't be good, huh?
It can be good. It can be good.
Oh, wow. Look how cool this is. 1921 Ford Model T. The Huckster truck. Wow. Ain't this neat? Donated by the Spencer family from New Orleans. We are inside the museum of the Tabasco company. Look at the middle flask. 100% capsaicin. You can imagine how hot that is.
The McElhenney family of Avery Island prides itself on a remarkable history. According to tradition, the McElhenneys hail from Scotland, immigrated to Ireland, and settled around the mid-1700s in Pennsylvania and Maryland. Edmund McElhenney, future inventor of Tabasco sauce, was born in 1815 in Hagerstown, Maryland. As a young man, he pursued a career in finance, and around 1840 moved to New Orleans, where he found work at the Bank of Louisiana. By the late 1850s, Edmund had amassed a small fortune and had become an independent banker. The Civil War, however, left his fortune in ruins. In the aftermath of the South's defeat, no one had money to pay back loans to his bank. Yet out of that financial desperation, Edmund arrived at a peculiar idea: to make a pepper sauce and sell it. The result? Tabasco pepper sauce. Took years of hard work to establish in the marketplace, revealing much about Edmund's resolve and his faith in his invention. Edmund's eldest son, John Avery McElhenney, took over the Tabasco operations after his father's death in 1890. John expanded production and tirelessly explored new ways to advertise Tabasco. In 1898, however, he resigned from the company to join Theodore Roosevelt's Rough Riders Cavalry Regiment. As a member of this regiment, John stormed San Juan Heights in Cuba and became one of Roosevelt's most trusted confidants. Meanwhile, John's younger brother, Edward Avery McElhenney, a conservationist and naturalist, explored the treacherous Arctic Circle.
We are in the blending room.
Color and heat. Once the sauce passes these tests, it is finally sent to the factory floor to be bottled. There, bottles every minute. To guarantee packaging is perfect, digital cameras inspect each bottle of Tabasco sauce in only a fraction of a second. Still, it takes dedicated and diligent people to make sure the entire process runs smoothly.
the drums. Kind of can't, but I'm coming. Oh, this is neat, guys.
Like millions of bottles a day. Push the button, Abby.
Oh, you can see it from up here. That's the agitators, the pumps. They're in. Look how many.
Can you imagine?
Goes on and on and on. Can you imagine how much pepper? Mixing sauce tank.
It's Tabasco Pole.
When
Wow.
you supply the entire world with great
Yeah.
products, it takes a lot of effort.
You telling me? And it all happens here in Louisiana.
The next step is. The next step is the Avery Island.
Here's where pepper mash, patiently aged in white oak barrels for up to 3 years. Up to 3 years?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm like, oh, did he go back there?
Number 5, the Avery Island Experience.
Come on in, viewers.
Come on in, everyone. Wait, we've got a whole crowd behind us. All our viewers are trying to wait for us. Oh, you can smell it. Wow. Here we go.
A plaster cast of the Louisiana black bear footprint found near the salt mine on Avery Island.
Oh, wow.
That's where we are.
We're way over
Salt
there.
used in the Tabasco is actually on here on the island.
Say that again, Amy?
The salt from in the Tabasco sauce is
Mine
mined
here.
on
Oh,
Avery
wow.
Island.
How cool. It's the first rock salt mine. Anyone for some salt? Rock salt, that is.
It was really funny. Smooth.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
First rock salt mine. Salt evaporated from the brine springs on Avery Island since 1791. On May 4th, 1862, workmen enlarging these springs to produce more salt for the Confederacy hit solid salt at a depth of 16 feet. Mining operations, the first of this type in North America, were begun and continued until destruction of the salt works on April 17, 1863 by Union forces.
Wait till you're around the corner.
Oh, this is crazy.
Oh.
Y'all got to come here. Don't forget this place. Look at the sign that says explosives. This is like being in a mine, guys.
Brett, go into the mine.
We're going in the mine. The guy with his air pack
It's just a room that looks like a salt mine.
in case of emergency. Oh, they're dynamiting in here, guys.
I look behind you.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look.
So they're hard at work in there.
This is how it's stored in the barrels. So the fermented stuff is in the bottom barrel and the salt up on top
Oh, wow.
as it ferments. Reagan, get your video ready.
Oh, yeah? Oh, they're dynamiting, yeah. They're dynamiting.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole. Oh, this is the line we wanted to see.
Oh, they're bottling
You
today.
can only see it during the weekday. You can see them actually bottling Tabasco sauce.
That's all the little tiny ones they give away when you walk in the door. Or is it the big ones? No, it's the big ones. I see the rest of the bottle.
It stopped.
Uh-oh. There's a jam.
Look at the line, y'all. Look at the Tabasco bottles.
You see the bigger ones in the back? Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, and that line over there is still running. Oh, and that one stopped too.
They're probably boxing. Or stopping.
And look at the big
I know
bottles
they have to stop for
way back there.
inspections.
Oh yeah.
Every single one of those bottles is inspected by a person. Isn't that something?
Oh, no. Oh, she smacked it. She had a little stick and she did pop. And now the thing's going again.
Ain't that neat? Well, if you have this on your dining room table, this is where it starts, guys. Right here. From the picking by hand to the bottling and sending it out to your doorstep or to your store.
All Brazil orders will have a timestamp.
It's stuck somewhere. This one, she's going to find it.
Oh, why is 0?
I don't think the counter is working.
My camera? Oh, the counter.
Oh, and then he's cleaning the bottles. Wow, guys, this is neat. Getting boxed back there, way in the back. It's hard to see.
In this area, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, I think I can remember the barrels in this area. Now, this is the size we need to get, Kelly.
Sweet and spicy.
This is like super tall. They make all kinds of Tabasco products.
Different things for different countries.
Yeah. Look at this one.
Yeah.
Tabasco jelly beans.
It's kind of hard to see with the glare.
Right.
Nacho slices.
The recipes. Abby's taking pictures of it.
All right.
Look at that.
Tabasco A1 sauce. Now it's time to enter the country store. Oh no. Kelly's in a store. This could not be a good thing. This is not going to be
Our
good.
wheels are already turning.
Oh Lord, help me. Country store.
That's what I'm talking.
All kinds of stuff in here. Kelly's gonna do
That's the ice cream?
a taste test. Which one are you looking for?
I don't know, but I'm very afraid because I don't like fast food. So I think I'm gonna do that.
You can even get your own. What kind of ice cream you can get?
They got raspberry chipotle, but we also have jalapeno.
Ooh, that gotta be hot.
Huh?
Is it hot?
Jalapeno's a little spicy, but raspberry is not.
Huh.
Not hot at all. You want to try it?
Nope.
So is it good?
I can't do that.
It's here for moral
Keto.
support.
Keto.
You can have one little baby bite.
No, you can't.
One.
One little baby bite.
One baby bite.
Peer pressure, Reagan.
No, the roasted pepper. I'm about to put a chipotle.
You want to eat some pretzels too? You can take the whole thing. Oh, good. Here you go.
That's different.
Different?
It's very tangy.
Try the roasted pepper,
I
Brett.
did. Oh, yeah.
What
try
are
that
you
one.
trying?
Trying the honey barbecue.
Oh, okay.
Roasted pepper is my favorite.
It's so good.
Is it?
Had barbecue sauce. Yeah.
Y'all like that?
Yeah.
The honey barbecue's good.
Is it? It's so good.
And they got pepper jelly.
Try
We're
it.
gonna get some of that.
You know you can make your own pepper jelly?
Huh? Mm-hmm.
Ooh,
I'll let you make it for me.
that is good. You know, you could try it. Just one little bite.
I'm trying the barbecue. Literally, it's a drop on your finger.
Okay.
What is that?
That is good.
What is that?
That's the
That's
Chipotle
spicy.
one.
Oh, those? Yeah, I've had those. The Chipotle was new the last time we came.
I think I like the barbecue.
You like it, Brett?
More than the
The Chipotle was brand new, I think, the last time we
Oh, I
came.
definitely do.
Yeah,
That
Chipotle came out in
Chipotle one, I like that. I like the
Oh, yeah.
smokiness of
Try
it.
the
That sounds about right.
try the honey barbecue.
2001?
That's not the last time we came, but
I don't like that one.
Okay, maybe it was
Good.
fairly new.
Okay, so the honey barbecue is good, and the roasted pepper and sweet and spicy are the best to me. I think.
Okay, cool.
I'm using my finger.
Yeah.
I was just using my finger in the
Oh,
cook.
I'm sorry, guys. I gotta figure out which one I want to try.
I like this one.
Is it sweet?
That's what I mean, yeah.
Kelly, what are you doing?
I'm looking for a
Are
small
these
bottle.
all these available in store?
Okay.
I don't know a big bottle like that.
Family.
And we are here with Madison at the taste testing
Hey
station.
guys.
And you guys got a lot of stuff going on here. We thank you so much for your help
You're
and
welcome.
telling us all the information that
Absolutely.
what we need to taste and what not to taste. They even got chili, guys. Chili. Can you believe?
You want to show them the chili?
Yeah, let's show them the chili.
What? I didn't know they had chili.
Now say this again.
That's Tabasco chili starter.
Okay.
So this is made with 1 jar of chili starter, 1 pound of ground meat, and you can use 3/4 of cups of water or beer.
Oh, amazing.
Do y'all
So-
want a sample?
No, because you see, I tried it already.
Oh,
When we
that's
ate at
true.
your restaurant, and we got a cup of it, and it was
Okay.
very, very good.
I'm glad you
Well,
like
thank
it.
you.
You're welcome.
And this right here they sell is the pulp. This is what's left after the process of making the Tabasco. And they actually bag this stuff, and it's you can store it at room temperature, and it can be used like for crawfish boils or a steak rub. But can you imagine how hot that would be? Ooh, I don't know if I'd want to try that. But they sell it. And this is their store, guys.
All right, I can go pick that.
Good one.
You ready? This is something I'm not too sure if I want to try. Crawfish poop. So Amy is picking me a plant.
Why are you filming me?
Because this is like history from the famous Broussard Homestead. They all look decent. That one?
That one.
There it is. Why would I get a smaller one than a bigger one? Would it be
This
a...
one's got some bug damage on it.
Okay.
And look, if you look here, see the plant's been cut.
Ah,
So it's not gonna grow taller, it's gonna bush out. This piece might, but your main stem
Go up.
hasn't been cut.
okay, cool. Well, thank you. And you can actually get your own seeds from the store, plant your own Tabasco peppers. See how they got the cage around it? Keep the birds from it,
That's neat, huh?
keeping it healthy.
We have another one right there. Oh, look, this one has peppers growing on it.
Oh, look. Peppers growing. How neat. Sort of the behind the scenes where some of the stuff goes on to get this Tabasco going. Okay, Kelly. This is the greenhouse that I want.
Right?
You make that happen?
Oh, you're getting a green
Look at these fans, guys. Here we go. Good. From this in the little bag to that big. Wow.
There's some of the smaller ones.
There's some of the small ones like we got. And then they just grow. Jalapenos. Yeah. Some jalapenos, some habaneros. Now this is the greenhouse. You got it going on in here. Yeah, I know. We can load this thing up. But look at the radiator. Some kind of cooling coil.
Yeah, feel it?
Yeah.
That's nice.
I guess it gets so hot.
They have one at Green Gate.
And this is how you keep animals out your garden. You build a 7-foot fence.
That's like the hog panels we use
Yeah,
for the
it
arches.
is. Right. It's just a little bit smaller, huh? Like 3 by 2.
Yeah, that's probably 3 by 2.
And now we're about to enter the Barrel Museum. We're coming.
From there, we would have to each other barrel. Make sure there's a one-way barrel on top of our cover.
Ooh.
And the back and the cover
The
sits
smell.
fit in place of the barrel.
I wonder if they'll give me that.
Check for inspection.
Probably not. Handpicked.
I've never seen a tall cup like this.
See that crate right there is what they used to put the peppers in. Had his name on them.
White oak barrel.
Michael
They
Henny.
come with iron tabs, iron rings. We have to change. From there, we would have to de-chart the barrel. Make sure there's a one-way barrel on top of our
Who's
cover.
making the barrel?
Back and the cover sits fitting in place of the barrel.
It's a bunghole.
That's the bunghole.
This is where the barrels are actually stored. Is in the warehouse. See that? Look, the salt on top. Oh, that's the smell I love. This is.
And look at the barrels, guys. It goes
And these are
on
the
and
ones
on
that
and
sit for
on.
3 years. Yes.
They store for 3 years in these barrels. Salt on the top. Salt comes from the salt mine here. Look how stacked up they are. Jeez. And even on this side. Fermenting for 3 years. Guys, so excited. Got a Tabasco plant. Can't wait to get this in the ground. Gonna be part of all the peppers that I'm gonna try to get planted this year. I'm running out of time though. Kelly, did you have fun? Well, of course I have fun. Who wouldn't have fun? Wouldn't have all this fun if you weren't with the famous Broussard Homestead
I
family.
knew that was coming.
Well, guys, we really do thank you for coming to our channel and watching our fun times at the Avery Island and Tabasco Company.
It's been a fun day.
It has been a fun one, right?
Yeah.
Had a blast.
And it's been a hot day.
And we're tired. Up and down, climbing, walking, everything you can think of, we did today.
That heat drains you, but it's a good kind of tire.
That's
It's
right.
good to hang out with this guy.
We should do this every day, you know? I mean, who gets the
down.
chance of being with Broussard Homestead?
Oh, here we go.
You know, I was going to say that. Got a laughing over there. All right, guys, I hope you guys are well. Stay safe. Always remember to prepare for the unknown.
God bless you guys.
We'll talk to you soon.